In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Google Analytics events. This process is crucial for tracking specific user interactions on your website, providing insights like which pages are most popular or how people are engaging with your content. Understanding this can help you make data-driven decisions to optimize your site's performance. First, navigate to analytics.google.com and log into your Google Analytics account. Once you're in, look towards the bottom left corner, where you'll see the gear icon representing the admin panel. Click on it to access the inner workings of your Google Analytics setup. With the admin panel open, focus on the property column in the center of your screen. Here, you'll see an option labeled Events. Click on this to be taken to the area where you can manage and create events. Once you're on the Events page, you'll notice a button labeled Create Event. Click this button to move on to the next step. In the new window that opens, you'll see another button marked Create again. Press this to initiate the process of setting up a custom event. This is where we start to define what action or behavior you want to track on your website. Now it's time to define your event's name and the conditions under which it should trigger. Choose a name that clearly describes what the event is tracking. It's important to keep a few naming conventions in mind. Your custom event name must start with a letter, use the snake case format, and it should not exceed 40 characters. This helps in maintaining consistency and makes it easier to identify and manage events later on. Next, you'll need to set up the matching conditions. These conditions tell Google Analytics when to register your custom event. You can base these conditions on existing events, like the ubiquitous Page View event. Then, add parameters that specify the circumstances under which this custom event should fire. For example, if you're tracking visits to a thank you page, you might use the parameter page location and set it to contain a unique identifier like thank you to capture that specific endpoint. And that's all there is to it. Once you've configured the event name and conditions, make sure to save everything to ensure your new event is correctly set up and ready to start collecting data the next time someone triggers those conditions on your website. By understanding how to create custom events in Google Analytics, you're opening the door to richer user insights and taking a significant step towards enhancing the analytic capabilities of your website. With these customized insights at your fingertips, you'll have better tools to guide your strategic decisions, pinpoint strengths and areas for improvement, and ultimately drive more successful outcomes for your online presence.